Okay guys, hey, it's me. I'm back. So, first I wanted to show you some of the work I did myself before we actually into the tutorials because I want to show you the full capability of Scratch. So, here we go. Oh, in case you don't know what the song is, it's Shara X Remix by Blue. I don't know who the original artist was. I didn't even look it up. So, let's enjoy. This is the script right here. It's a series of blocks that you can use. So blank bench or, for example, when the flag clicks, in this script, when the flag is clicked, it will actually automatically start the animation. In this sequence, change color effect. This will actually change the color effect of the background. These blocks switch between the backgrounds until of 6 backgrounds. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna get all up a little, so don't bother me. Okay, I'm back. Control blocks actually blank sex actually tell you how many seconds that the program is going to wait before switching to the next background. So in this case, it is 0.1 seconds. Purple blocks actually tell you which background is going to be next. So in this case, it goes backdrop 20W. Let's go back. So anyways, you can have as many projects as you hold on. Okay, I'm back. So anyways, you can have as many projects as you want. And for every project you make, you get more credibility. Therefore, I got 3 studio invites. So anyways, the owners of studios, here I'll show you what a studio is. As soon as my dang mouse loads, or its screen stops. You know what? Oh my gosh. I'm not responding, what the heck? Sorry, my computer does this. It's just so laggy. I cannot figure its problem. Anyways. Jeez, no. Actually, Ron did fail at life. You guys didn't see that? Okay, it's back. Hello. So anyways, you can have as many projects as you want. and as many studios. But yet there are some things that you can do to, well, let's say studios are a place to store your projects. And if you're an owner, you can actually invite people to curate or manage your studio. For example, I'm an owner of one studio, aka this is freaking Undertale, and I'm also curator of 2 studios called Ask Me Anything and Let's Get 500 Managers for Christmas. I mean, who would name their studio that? So, anyways, let me show you my friend Chara. Well, no, sorry, I can't. Hold on. So, let's take a peek at what's inside. Look at all these projects. Now, all these projects were specifically picked by the owner of this studio. And I think there's a total of over 100 projects. 100 and up. There's Seal Speed Art, Stick Gunner, Kill Everybody, or okay, who would do that? I mean, there are a lot of people who just, oh my gosh, just press the red button. Okay. There are also stories, games, and animations. Panda Trouser. What the? Okay, yeah, these things are projects made up by other users. For example, Awesome Panda. Let's see. Okay, these are actually some of his projects that were chosen by the owner or curator of the studio. And as you can see, Awesome Panda has a lot of projects on here. Oh, by the way, Awesome Panda, be glad you're getting noticed, because I am gonna have so many viewers after this. Okay, so anyways, let's get into creating a project. Now, projects are pretty basic. Well, actually, the code that Scratch uses is pretty basic, aside from programs like these, command prompt. Like command prompt, for example. Command prompt is a very advanced code. Basically, the decoder. I just scratched that. Made it funny. Unscratch. Let's scratch that. Oh, and in case you didn't get the pun from the short eggs, I'm blue and project. Get it? I'm blue. I blew it. Anyways, enough bad puns. So command prompt is basically an advanced version of Scratch, because Scratch uses much simpler code than command prompt. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do 360s. 360s. Wow. So this cat, I'm going to make this cat do spin around on the screen. So we go to motion. And in case you don't know what these are, they're called code blocks. Events are when something happens. For example, when the flag clicked. For example, when I use this block, it'll link up to this flag. So when this flag is clicked, whatever this when flag clicked block is connected to, happen. So that's events. Control actually controls what's gonna happen. Sensing, for example, but okay, this is something you should know about me. I really don't know much about Scratch since, well, I've only been using it this summer. I started using it this summer. So anyways, there are, like, what's your name? And so basically, this cat is gonna ask, what's your name? And when you check answer, this box will appear. So let me show you what's gonna happen. Now either hit the enter key on your keyboard or hit the check. Either way will work. And boom, the answer will appear here. So that's only one of the few things sensing does. Operators actually do what's going to happen. So this is actually kind of controls. It's kind of like control, except it only happens for certain events. These things are just whenever. So if answer, then for example, I'm gonna put when touching color orange, then ask what's your name. Uh, so I really don't know what the scratch problem is, but hey, what are you gonna do? And delete. Okay, so those are some of the few things that you can do. If we're drawing projects, there is a section called pen, which actually controls a virtual pencil. So clear actually, you want to start a project with a clean sheet of paper, or in this case, a virtual piece of paper. Stamp actually puts a mark. You know what, I cannot explain stamp to you since I haven't been on Scratch long enough, but hey, I can explain some of it since I know what it's going to do. More blocks you can create. More blocks, and Dad, you can actually create your own blocks. Now I really don't know how these work either. However, I do know how pen, sound, and looks and motion works. Also, events and control. These guys, I really don't know how they work. Just don't know how. So anyways, pen, you can set pen color to blue or white, green, gray, orange, purple, light purple, mid purple, and blue. So really, you can also change it to red or dark green. Now the thing is, you need to choose a color because these things are pretty complicated. I don't know how to use the setting color, really, so it is all up to you. Anyways, to make this cat move, I want this cat to spin around on the screen while following my mouse pointer. So to do that, I'm going to go motion and use the block, move 10 steps, and turn 15 degrees right. But instead of, if I wanted to go faster, I'm going to turn 15 into 90. So turn 90 degrees to the right and go to your mouse pointer. See, but it only does it one time. However, if I use the control block forever, and the block, when flag clicked, all I have to do is click the flag, and this will move 10 steps and turn 90 degrees. All the time until you say stop. So oh, hey, this guy gets one. Bam, 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 bam. Okay, so we're gonna put that to an end. Now, since I have a touchscreen computer, I can actually hit the stop button while I'm having a mouse pointer and load the screen so the cat stays there. However, if you don't have a touchscreen computer, this cat will basically fly up here when you click that. So, backgrounds. Now, you can either when you go to backdrops, or sprites, you can actually make a backdrop of your own, or you can import a photo from your computer. For example, here's as Charlie the Child did. This is her background. So yeah, probably should get rid of that. And if backspace actually just deletes the entire thing. For sprites, it's pretty much the same way. When you go to costumes, you can import an image, edit the image to, however you want, or you can just create your own. Or, for example, use the ones you have here. Now, let's go to sounds. Sounds can appear in backdrops or stage and sprites. For example, if I use the sound block, play sound meow, which is the title of this sound, it will play this. That never gets old. However, you can also import sounds from your PC. For example, here's some of the work I did. I actually knifeboard a song. In case you don't know what knifeboard is, it's either a remix or a sped up version of a song. For example, you can either speed up Beethoven. So yeah, that's what a knifeboard is. If you didn't already know. By the way, uploading sounds can actually take a long time. Waiting, and by the way, you can't actually click on anything else, otherwise that just stops the whole thing. Yeah, we're still waiting. I'm sorry if this takes long. Okay, anytime I have to wait, I'm gonna edit the video and just, skip the whole thing. Just skip the whole thing. From now on, whenever I do a Wii video, I'm gonna skip over it. Okay, now it's compressing. Compressing actually prepares the audio so I can fit into this program. Now let's see what happens. Yeah, I did this. Taking forever ago. How long have I been up? I don't know. Can't get the key, but I can't let go. There isn't anything to hold on to though. What can't I say? What can't I say? What can I... Yeah, I cannot sing that high. So, yep. So yeah, that's part of what you can do with this. Oh, in case you don't know how I record the song, I'm going to show you a website where you can actually... So, necromaker.com is a pretty easy place to record your audio. For example, it just takes 2 simple steps. You browse the file, change rate, prove you're not a robot, click let's go, and wait a bit. And sometimes Nightcore does a Nightcore Maker not responding. Yeah, it does that too. All the time. Yeah, we don't need that. This, in case you don't know what this is called, it's called Scratch Editor. Well, actually, it's called a project editor. And over here, you can actually title whatever you want. So I'm going to title this tutorial. Tutorial on Scratch. So anyways, and Backpack is actually to store programs for other projects. Okay, so I'm going to show you a remix that I did. And actually, mind you can actually edit remix. For example, the Pillow Talk remix is a remix that I copied off of Catleaf564 Cat. And over here, I actually thank whoever I remixed the project off. And remind you, there's a whole lot of these, so Enjoy this.
Reorganize, whatever, increasing productivity 25% overall for office, something like that.
See, that's one of the things, many things you can actually do. Why is this thing? Thank you. Thank you. So, yeah, that's a remix. And it turns out you actually have to share the project, otherwise nobody else can see it. So far, oh my gosh, hold on. Okay, I'm back. So I want to get. Okay, so I want to catch you up on more what backpack is. So, anyways, as I previously explained, a backpack is a place where you can actually store pieces of scripts, costumes, basically anything. And Scratch is a very friendly place. So if you click there, it takes you right back to home. So yeah, there are a lot of projects, a lot of people. Oh, projects loved by Scratchers and following. Hey, here's me. I remixed this. Oh, and prepare for some epic cringe, because you are never gonna believe what song I put in this. So anyways, I'll inform you on the instructions. Hit play to listen to some sick beats. Oh, and here's a dare. I dare you to remix this and put the worst song you know. And I put prepare to cringe at this. And it's very cringy. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so hilarious. Epic cringe. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, that was just, oh my gosh. So anyways, that's that. So you can create, explore, tips. So here you can actually create your own project. You can explore Scratch in a more friendly way, or you can get tips on how to use Scratch or find more Scratch updates. And About actually explains what Scratch is and what it's here for. Yes! I did the dogs. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry you had to hear that. I'll knock it off.
It's outside. Knock it off. Let's put that in. I'll put the door on the top.
I'm so sorry what you just had to hear. I'm so sorry about that. That was one of my parents. So here are actually some videos on how to and what this is. Oh, and here's a little introduction video I'm gonna put for you. So anyways, guys, that was pretty much what you can do on Scratch. And thank you for joining me on this exciting tutorial. Later!